Real estate investing without banks. Instead of buying properties myself traditionally or using the bank, what I do is I market to motivated sellers, and I highlight motivated sellers and find off-market properties, and I structure two ways to buy their properties. Number one, I use seller financing, so I don't have to use my own cash or my own credit or credentials. And number two, I buy it at a deep discount. Here's how you can do it in your backyard. Number one, when you meet anyone new, always ask them, hey, what do you do for a living? If they say something like, I've lost my job, I'm between jobs or something like that, then the very next question you want to ask them is, hey, do you own a property, or hey, do you own a home, or do you rent? If they say something like, hey, I own a property, bing, 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 bingo. You have yourself a motivated seller because they've lost their job and they own a property. If you want to know exactly what to ask them next, go to myrealestatedojo.com and get my free training.